Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that can feel a bit overwhelming, but is super rewarding: how to make friends and be more social. Whether you're new to a place or just looking to expand your circle, I've got 20 quick tips to help you connect with others and build meaningful friendships. Let's dive right in. Tips for making friends. Be yourself. Authenticity draws in people who appreciate you for who you are. Start with a smile. A friendly smile makes you approachable and invites conversation. Join clubs or activities. Engage in hobbies you love to meet like-minded individuals. Attend social events. Say yes to gatherings, even if they're outside your comfort zone. Volunteer. Helping others can introduce you to kind-hearted people. Make the first move. Don't be afraid to initiate conversations with new people. Share common interests. Find activities or topics you both enjoy to bond over. Be open to new experiences. Embrace different activities or events to meet diverse people. Follow up. If you hit it off with someone, send them a message to hang out again. Be patient. Building friendships takes time, so let them develop naturally. Take initiative. Plan outings or gatherings instead of waiting for others to invite you. Be vulnerable. Share personal stories to help others feel comfortable opening up. Compliment others. A genuine compliment can break the ice and foster connection. Learn names. Remembering and using someone's name makes them feel valued. Stay positive. A positive outlook attracts people and creates a friendly atmosphere. Tips for being social. Practice small talk. Have a few go-to conversation starters ready. Use open body language. Stand or sit in a way that invites others to approach you. Listen actively. Show genuine interest in what others are saying to foster connection. Participate in group discussions. Join conversations in groups to share your thoughts. Be positive and encouraging. A positive attitude attracts others and creates a welcoming vibe. Express gratitude. Thank people for their time and company to strengthen bonds. Invite others out. Take the initiative to plan hangouts. It shows you value their company. Stay open-minded. Embrace different perspectives and backgrounds to enrich your social experiences. Be consistent. Regularly check in with friends to keep the connection strong. Have fun and be playful. Enjoy the process of meeting new people. It should be a joyful experience. Make eye contact. This shows engagement and interest in the conversation. Ask for opinions. People love to share their thoughts. Ask questions to encourage conversation. Engage in group activities. Group settings are less intimidating and foster connections. Embrace diversity. Interact with people from different backgrounds to broaden your social circle. Be mindful of social cues. Pay attention to others' body language and reactions to guide your interactions. And there you have it. 20 tips for making friends and being social. Remember, the journey of building friendships is all about connection and enjoyment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your favorite tip in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.